guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have products by Stylevana to use for April. Do you want to know what I'm going to be using this month? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so here are the products for me to use for April 2024 that Stylevana sent me for review. So thank you so much for sending me your amazing products to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys don't know, Stylevana is literally like your one-stop shopping for anything and everything that you need K-beauty and J-beauty related, from skincare to makeup to hair care. They have you covered. You can shop rest assured knowing that it's all going to be authentic, it's going to be taken care of, well packaged, and shipped quickly when purchasing through Stylevana. And you could always use my code that's on top of their already low discounted prices, which is INF10 SheCrafty, and that will get you an additional 10 to 15% off what's accumulated in your cart at checkout. So they will all be linked down below for you to take a look at. And again, the INF10 SheCrafty will save you some money. So let's go ahead and dive into all of the products that we're going to use for this month. And this big box right here, I'm super excited. If you guys watched a few months back, I got a set kind of like this that had the little, however you call that tool, attached to the eye cream. And I thought that was genius because it's already attached. It was nice and cold. It felt amazing on my face when I was putting it on. This one is the same brand, the same concept, but this one here is for your face and neck. And it comes with a 3-piece set. It says Lifting, Restore, Massage, Care Set. Retinol and peptide quickly nourish the skin and rejuvenate the wrinkled skin for elasticity. So you do have the cream, the retinol peptide face and neck. Then there's a retinol peptide improve wrinkle lifting restore ampule. And then it looks like there is a face steam towel. All right, this is all by Well Derma. Let's get this open. I love using the same brand in my routine, so I'm so excited. We have this right here, which is the face steam and cooling towel. Okay, hot steam helps absorb the skincare products, making skin glowing. Put lightly wet towel into the microwave for 30 to 60 seconds. Apply onto face, gently massage for 10 to 20 minutes. Then the cooling towel, it says soak a towel in water, wring it out, put in the refrigerator or the freezer until it is cold before use. Apply on the face and then gently massage for 10 to 20 minutes. So, all right, so is it just one? It says hot, cold, 2-in-1 multi-mask. Clean, sustainable, easy to use. You can use it either way. 2 different usages. That is amazing. So you have that. That's 1 out of the 3 in this kit. Then we'll go ahead and grab the rest of it out. So here is going to be the face and neck cream, and then that is the ampule. And then taking this out of the package, that's what it looks like. So you have like the standard dropper style. It has 7 types of hyaluronic acid, 7 types of collagen, 17 types of amino acids, 8 types of peptides, vitamin C, E, B12, B6, B3, B5, retinol. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here. You just after cleanse and tone skin, put it on your face, and then go on with whatever skincare routine you want afterwards, like your serum, your moisturizer, that kind of thing. So here is your Improve Wrinkle Lifting Restore Ampule. Then the last part of this kit is this guy right here. We'll get this one opened. Yeah, so it's going to look the same with the face and, wait, was mine face and neck or was it just the eye? I think mine might have been the face and neck cream now that I'm thinking about it, and not just the eye cream. I get so many products, it's hard for me to keep up with. But now that I'm thinking about it, I think it might have been this exact same product, which is cool because I actually really love the concept. So yeah, I think because it is this size, it's not a smaller one. So I think this is the right size. So I got a little confused, but now I'm back on track. So here this is, and you just twist this and you squeeze it, it comes out, and then you can use it on your face, your neckline. That's right, it is exactly this one, because now that I'm kind of doing these little motions, it's all coming back to me. That is so neat, but I really love that, and this one comes like in a 3-piece set, so that is also really neat. So then next up we have is iUnic, which I love this brand, Centella Mild Cleansing Foam. Ooh. I love a good cleansing foam, a cleansing balm. I use them every single day. So here it is. It is the mild cleansing foam. Again, it has pH 5.5. That is a nice large size bottle. So it's for skin relief and moisturizing, pH balancing for all skin types. For morning and evening cleanser, take a proper amount onto the wet hands, gently massage all over your face and cleanse. Rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water. So very simple. So if I already have makeup on, like today I have makeup on, I would start with a cleansing balm or a cleansing oil first, and then I would use the actual foaming cleanser as my second step of my cleansing my face routine. So there's that. Again, I love this brand, so I'm super excited to try that out. Now we have is Rosemary Root Enhancer. I think it was last month, no, the month prior, I got a rosemary shampoo and I went to their site and I bought the matching conditioner. So last month, I told you how I received it and using them together. This is the same brand, but it's a different type of product. It's not a shampoo or conditioner. It's a root enhancer. And I think that's really neat because now I have the shampoo and conditioner for this. And so it says suggested use, shake the bottle before use, spray onto the scalp on the entire or concentrated area. Massage with fingertips to help absorption. It says this scalp nourishing tonic is sprayed and absorbed directly onto the scalp for a firm, youthful scalp. All right, so what it looks like down inside, it looks like that. So you have this type of a top. So there's that. And again, I'm so excited to use this. So once I use the shampoo and conditioner, I can get out and use the root enhancer. That's going to be really nice. Again, I love using the same brand in the same, night or day. Up next we have, it says 2 times barrier intensive cream. Ooh, that sounds like a good moisturizing cream. I love a good moisturizing cream. So down inside of the packaging, this is what it looks like. Moisturizing cream to strengthen skin's moisture barrier. Directions: use at the last step of the skincare to provide a deeper moisture into the skin. Dispense a pearl-sized amount onto the back of the hand, apply on the face, and press skin steadily to promote absorption into the skin. I normally glob my face with moisturizer and stuff because it feels so good. So I got to try to remember, try to do a little. If not, whatever, my face will get more moisturized. So up next we have, it says solid in lip essence. Your skin is our planet. This is what the packaging looks like. So it sounds like we have a lip product. Again, they have makeup, not just skincare. And then this is what it looks like. It looks like it'll be like a lip balm. It just says that it is a lip essence. So to me, it sounds like it's going to just be like a regular lip balm. Yeah. So you just squeeze it out of there. There we go. You have a lip balm. I love, my lips get dried out so much that I love having chapsticks and lip balms and lip oils and stuff all over the place. So there is the lip essence. Feels nice and moisturizing on my lips too. So next we have is a black snail collagen cream. Snail plus collagen plus black bean, a 30 ml. And if you guys follow me, you know how scared I was whenever I heard snail or snail mucus or whatever that was called. It's like they had to come up with the worst name for it. But so no, snail secretion is what it would always say. I'm like, what is that? I have a little scooper outer that was attached to the seal that was on it. But yeah, the snail secretion, that always just made me want to run the opposite way. But then I keep hearing how good it is and all the benefits and how wonderful it is for your skin. So I had to get that out of my head. And now I will use snail products. So I'm not going to run from it. Not this time. Let me go ahead and get that seal off so we can get it opened. And see what it looks like on the, oh, yep. Did you see all that just coming out from just opening? Look. Da 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 da. Do I even need to open up the top? Oh yes, yummy yummy snail. Look at that. It is very very sticky icky. Oh wait. Yes, this. That is the snail, my friends. Yes, it doesn't smell like anything, but it does actually feel nice. I'm gonna have fun. I'm gonna put that on my face. It's gonna be so stringy, but it's probably gonna feel amazing when I'm done. And again, it's black snail collagen. And for this guy, it says it minimizes fine lines and wrinkles, creating healthy and vibrant glow. Directions: can be used daily, AM and PM. Gently massage into the face in circular motions until absorbed. Very, very simple. It's just gonna be very like elasticy, stretchy, sticky, that kind of thing, but I'm sure it's going to feel amazing. And you have your little scoop router if you want to use this. So the last item in here for me to use for April is kind of cool because this is April's skin. So this is what I'm going to be using in April too. So that's actually neat. It is a 220 ml or 7.43 fluid ounce. And this one here says instant calming serum pads. Instant skin relief, ultra hydrating, rapid cooling pads. Ooh, brightening, wrinkle, and improvement. It says place these pads on cheeks, foreheads, or specific areas of concern, and then remove them after 3 to 5 minutes. So it sounds like you just stick the pad on your little area of your face and leave it on for a few minutes and then just remove it. Ooh, that's a cool little package. It's like an ombre with the green to the orange. And then when you open it up, you do have your own tongs. It doesn't really have a scent or anything. And then there's all of the pads down in there. So you just grab some out, put them on your cheeks, your forehead, your chin, wherever your areas you would like, and then take them off after 3 to 5 minutes. So that is everything for me to use for April, you guys. We have, again, these serum cooling pads. We have the Intense Cream Barrier Cream. You have the Root Enhancer. You have the Black Snail Collagen Cream. You have your Lip Essence. And then you have the iUnic Mild Cleansing Foam. And then you have this 3-piece set that comes with this face steaming towel, multi-use, hot or cold. It comes with this face cream, which has a little device, so you can use that as you're going for your face and your neck. And then you have the ampule. Okay, you guys, so that is everything again that they sent for me to use for April. Comment down below and let me know, what do you think of all these products that they sent? What do you think of Stylevana? Don't forget, you can check them out anytime and use my code INF10 SheCrafty to save that 10 to 15% off. If you'd like to see other discount codes or companies that I recommend, or learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, so then you can see all of the different videos that I do. I do so many different types. If one pops up that you're not interested in, pass it until you see one that you do. That simple. So again, that is everything for this particular video. Comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew.